let's talk about platforms real quick. I do all my decks in Figma. Now I realize that it's collaborative, meaning that it's like Google Docs for design, right? So I can go in here and everybody can kind of chime in and collaborate, and it's in real time. It's amazing, right? Very flexible design-wise. Real time, meaning like if I do a deck, like if I'm making a change here, it's going to show up right away here, no matter where I send that link to. It is not easy to use. Unless you're a designer, Figma is quite a challenge if you're not used to design tools. And if you're not online, you may have an issue loading up that file. Pitch, if anybody's ever used pitch.com, is actually hits all of these. Same with Canva. It has all of these things. Collaborative, it's very flexible, it's real time, it's easy to use, and there's an offline mode. So I usually recommend for people who aren't designers to use Pitch or Canva. Some of you may already be doing that. Now, last on my list are PowerPoint and Keynote. Keynote's fine if you're a single founder that's just doing it on your own and no one else is involved in it. But the problem with Keynote is now you're sending out version 2225, version final, version 001. I'm sure everybody has folders with like 1,000 Keynote files or PowerPoint files. They're not collaborative. They don't really have much. I mean, Keynote does have some design flexibility, but ultimately, they don't compare at all to these new players in the space, Pitch or Canva. Like you can get some pretty nice looking things with both of these. So I would avoid PowerPoint and Keynote if you can, because you're going to find a lot of benefits there.